What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tiffany N Benson, aka Lady Arabella, and you guys have tuned into an episode of Hashtag Business Goals. This is going to be a new series where we talk about different ways that businesses can empower themselves to run their businesses on their own and protect themselves from going under like a lot of these other brick and mortar businesses. So since I don't want that to be you, I started this series, which is Hashtag Business Goals. So if you guys want to learn more about what you can do in order to empower yourself to run a successful business, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I had the pleasure of hosting a workshop for businesses. This is something that I do every quarter, so every 3 months I have a big workshop for all the businesses to learn social media, which is something that everybody is having a hard time with because there's so many different things like algorithms and which ones to post on and how many times am I supposed to post on it, and do I just pay ads in order to be successful at this? These are all the different things that you will learn in my 3-hour workshop, which if you want to be a part of it, make sure you click the link down below to our contact us page and send me your email address so then I can send you details on the next workshop when it comes up. So in this episode, we are going to be talking about the 4 major social media platforms that you want to be a part of. This will help increase your SEO, which for if you guys don't know what that is, it's search engine optimization. So we're going to go over it briefly. If you guys want to learn more about each one in depth, like I said, I do a workshop on it and you guys can attend that workshop or do our webinar, and that way you can learn everything there is to know about each one of these. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Facebook. Facebook is an amazing tool that can allow you to do different things, whether it's going live or it's creating groups that you can talk to your customers and your clients about, or if you're just putting together some crazy random thoughts about anything to build your fan base on live, or stories. So it's a great way for you to be able to connect with your viewers, and it gives you that age that's more so like the baby boomers, early millennials type age. And it's really nice to build your SEO because Facebook is one of the largest social media brands. So if you don't have a Facebook, make sure you have one. Okay guys, the second one we're going to talk about is the Gram. I'm talking about Instagram, IG, the Gram, whatever you want to call it. This is a very visual platform. This platform helps you to be able to show people a quick visualization of what it is that you do. You can organize it in the way that you show a little of life, a little of product, or you can do a little of what this product can do for you with a little bit of videos on how you can use the product or how the product can benefit you in some type of way. So Instagram is also really important because it does demand a great deal of SEO because it's also owned by Facebook. So there's tons of different things on Instagram that you can use, whether it's IGTV, stories, posting, all those different things that you can use to connect to your viewers and your clients. And this gives you a little bit of a earlier range in age too as well, so a younger age range of people that you can reach. So make sure you guys have an Instagram if you don't already have one. So the next one is going to be Pinterest. Pinterest is a blog website that allows you to be able to put step-by-steps. It allows you to be able to have your own blog where you can talk about different products, different things, make recipes, make different objects, how you create something. It's a very creative website. I always tell anybody that has some type of business where they are creating things such as styling or artwork or recipes or cooking, always have a Pinterest because people can pin your post and do exact step-by-steps. This is one of the things that people love to do where you can read and watch at the same time. It also demands a higher or older demographic of people, and also somewhat a mid-age demographic of people too. So you're reaching a fan base of people that you wouldn't reach on the other two. Lastly, the one that you are on right now watching this video, YouTube. YouTube is a perfect way to reach your viewers and your clients and talent and whatever it is that you're trying to reach, because YouTube is one of the biggest search engines on Google. So it demands a lot for your SEO, and it also gives you a way to be able to talk to people and really explain what it is that they need, for whether it's a product or a step-by-step on how to use a product, or just being able to say, this is what this can do for you. So make sure you guys have these social media platforms, because they are going to be big for you in the long run when it comes to growing your brand with social media and growing your business with social media, and not end up like some of these other businesses that are going out of business. So make sure you guys do that.